Hello, this is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping. We are in Byron Center, Michigan, and very excited to kick off the 23 season with this amazing koi pond project. We are standing in the middle of a pond that we are digging here today. It's about 25 foot long by 20 wide by about 3 foot deep, so a pretty good sized backyard pond. And we're going to have a lot of cool lighting, aquatic plants, fish in the pond, and we're going to be building some seating areas around the pond and fire pit areas for the homeowner to enjoy this. But really cool up this way is coming into the pond. We're going to have a 60-foot stream that's going to be starting up there, and we'll walk up there in just a second. We're going to have a series of really cool waterfalls, and so the water is going to be coming into the pond into this area, and then we're going to have a lot of cool different waterfalls and water changes as we move up this way. And as part of this aquascape pond ecosystem, in order for all of that pond to naturally filter, if you want to come up this way, we're going to be installing a wetland filter in this area. So we built this large patio that last season, and when they're up enjoying the patio down here in this area, is going to be a nice big reflection pond area, and beneath that is going to be a wetland filter, and that's where all the filtration for the pond will take place. Coming up through a series of gravels and aquatic plants, the water will be moving up through the system and then filtering down and spilling down and returning down through the stream and back down into the pond. So we will give more updates as we move forward with the project. We just wanted to do a video and show you where we're at, and we're very excited to send updates on this project. So thank you so much. This is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping.